Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I have the lechon baboy. I'm going to eat my lechon baboy, so check it out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on.
Maganda kung mumukbangin mo itong buo.
Hindi ko kaya mukbangin yan. Ikot daw.
Kaya lang, dinala niya ako dun sa bahay nilang luma. Tapos dinescribe ko, eto po, pero posible kong tatay niya. Sabi ko kasi, sa ganito po niya akong bahay dinala eh. Tapos pati yung puno ng akasya, puno ng...
Ang sarap. So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this garden video. You're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.